Dear friends, Namaskar and greetings from the IAP Neonatology chapter. It is my honor to welcome you all for this anniversary edition of our webinar series Learn from Legend, an academic initiative by IAP Neonatology chapter. We started this webinar series because our annual conference IAP NeoCon 2020, which was supposed to happen in Thrissur, Kerala, was cancelled because of pandemic. And our purpose was that the knowledge sharing and the teaching should go on. Fortunately, this online platform did give us the opportunity to invite various international speakers for the talks, and we had wonderful content-rich academic sessions, webinars by our renowned faculty, and which was loved by one and all. These sessions were not only attended by our delegates from our nation but also from the various other nations, and is being appreciated by everyone, including very senior neonatologists of the nation. I'd like to thank Dr. Nandkishore Kabra, the chairperson IAP Neonatology Chapter 2020 and his team, and the present office bearer of the IAP Neonatology Chapter 2021, and especially the organizers, Dr. Manoj and his team from Kerala, who has been constantly working throughout the year with equal zeal and enthusiasm to make this webinar series a huge success. I also like to thank our speakers, our faculty from the various nations who has given us the time and opportunity to interact with them. Looking at the popularity of this series, Learn from Legend, we have decided that we will continue it for another year. I wish you all good luck, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.
Thanks to Learn from the Legend webinar, we have a chance to update new knowledge in newborn care. The topic today about Lisa and answer is very helpful. Give us evidence so in future we will try to do more and more non-invasive surveillance. Thank Legend and Professor Ram for such an interesting topic. We hope we have opportunity to collaboration together with Legend. We can have more and more topic to help the doctor have a chance to raise the knowledge and practical in Vietnam.
Hi friends, Learn from the Legends, brainchild of Dr. V.C. Manoj and his team, is probably the most popular and highly subscribed webinar series in the recent past. I have seen them for a full year, conducting consistently and punctually all the meetings in an impeccable manner. This webinar series has given us all the opportunity of listening to the leading proponents of neonatology in various countries around the world. I congratulate NNF Kerala and the neonatal chapter of IAP for consistently and properly conducting these programs. I am sure it will not be wrong if I say that Learn from the Legends is by itself become a legend in the field of webinars and neonatal lectures. I wish the program all the best.
Hi NNF Kerala, congratulations on your anniversary session. Thank you for organizing excellent speakers and providing up-to-date education in neonatology. We hope you will continue to do so in the future and greatly appreciate it. Regards from Croatia.
Heartiest congratulations to Dr. V.C. Manoj and his team. This webinar series, Learn from the Legends, has been an academic feast. I am sure it has ignited several minds. To me, this has been a great opportunity to learn, relearn, and most importantly, unlearn. Thank you very much and all the best.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Ha from Vietnam. On behalf of Vietnamese team, I would like to say thank you to Dr. Ramanathan from USA with his Safatang lecture for Return Baby. Now we are very familiar with the laser technique using the nasogastric catheter. Learn from Lesion in 2020 was an interesting conference. That's why we are waiting for this forum this year. Thank you.
Dear friends, welcome to one and all. I am Dr. Nan Kishore Kabra, neonatologist practicing in Mumbai. The Learn from the Legends, an international bi-monthly webinar series in neonatology that began last year on 19 June 2020 is successfully completing 1 year. This was an academic initiative of IAP Neonatology chapter and NNF Kerala. Dr. Manoj and his team have done a commendable job. The webinar series was initiated because of the cancellation of IAP NeoCon 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So far, 31 webinars have been presented by the legends in neonatology from across the world. These sessions have become extremely popular and everyone looks forward to attending them. It has also made us aware about the current best evidence and current best practices in the field of neonatology. I have no doubt that the Learn from Legends series has taken academic neonatology to greater heights. I wish you all the very best for the future. Thank you.
I am Dr. Aldagdag Matias from the Philippines, a neonatologist trained under Dr. Victor Yu of Monash, Australia 32 years ago. I congratulate the speakers for their expertise in discussing the neonatal issues and their contribution to the care of sick neonates. Their updates and approaches to diagnosis and management measures are very practical. I practice in the countryside and I content myself with available resources. Thank you very much to NNF Kerala. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations to Dr. Mono and his team for completing 1 year of International Neonatology webinar series Learn from the Legend. It has been a great academic initiative by the Indian Academy of Pediatrics Neonatology chapter and well supported by Indian Academy of Pediatrics Thrissur branch and National Neonatology Forum. The program has surpassed our expectations and reached to many neonatologists across the world, and many have benefited from this. I wish the team good luck to carry it forward till the next conference next year. Thank you.
Hi, we are from Highlands, Vietnam. The Learn from the Legend webinar series is very exciting, with lots of useful topics in neonatal clinical practice. I really like the topic surfactant therapy intro versus LISA because it has a high applicability in both the present and future. I was also impressed with Professor Ramanathan and the detailed enthusiastic sharing. Thank you for organizing the meaningful webinars. We are honored to be a bridge that helps Vietnamese doctors access this program, which Learn from the Legend 2021 a great success. Stay safe and take care during this time.
Hi everybody, Ahmet from Turkey. I congratulate your team. Thank you for your all webinars. To all speakers, to all legends, to all pioneers in neonatology, on behalf of all neonatologists in Turkey.
Hi, I am Blanca Arteaga. I'm a neonatologist in Mexico, in the province of Puebla. I work in the NICU of Hospital Angeles Puebla. My daily activity is work with premature babies and newborn. I feel very happy to have listened to the most of the presentation of people so brilliant that they motivate me to continue working for the babies. Thank you for sharing your experience and knowledge.
hearty welcome to the special anniversary session of Learn from the Legends, our international neonatology webinar series.
Learn from the Legends originated last year in June as a humble effort by our team IAP Neocon during the pandemic days to deliver quality academic webinars, recent advances and current concepts in the field of neonatology.
EPIC series is a telling example of warm relationship between IAP Neonatology Chapter, India, National Neonatology Forum, Kerala and Indian Academy of Pediatrics, Thrissur branch.
We have had 30 lectures so far in the last 12 months on the different aspects of neonatal care by faculties from all over the world.
As you might be aware, all our lectures are available for your future reference in the YouTube channel Learn from the Legends.
You know very well that it is very unlikely for International Academic Webinar Series to continue uninterrupted for a year and also celebrates its anniversary.
And it's a true honor for us, Learn from the Legends, to enter the second year and to go forward with renewed interest and increased participation from the neonatal community all over the world.
On this special occasion, we wish to thank all our legendary speakers who were the backbone of our webinar series in our journey since June 2020.
Thanks to the wonderful team of legendary faculty members and their pearls of wisdom, our webinar series was widely appreciated by all of you.
Today on this special occasion, we are thrilled and humbled to express our sincere thanks to this august group of 7,000 plus delegates from 70 plus countries who are our real inspiration to continue this effort. Tiding over this pandemic with updates is so very important to all of us.
We sincerely hope that this webinar series is genuinely helpful to the neonatal fraternity in improving the outcome of the newborn infants all over the world.
Today, we are truly fortunate to have two legends of international repute, Professor Ola Stokstad and Professor Richard Paulin, who have carved a niche for themselves in the field of neonatology.
We all know that both of them are two legends whom we look up to all the time. Hearty welcome to both of you sirs to this session.
Before we start the scientific session, we would also wish to thank all those who have sent in their feedback to remember us on this special occasion. Thank you.